In today's tutorial, so today we are going to see how we can design a logo. So we are going to treat how we can design this logo using shapes. We are going to use shape and design something like this today. Alright, so if this is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. In this channel I drop video every day on graphic design. Subscribe to the channel and you'll learn a lot about graphic design. I have other videos under my channel on graphic design. Watch the video now and you understand many things about graphic design. Alright, so in today's tutorial we're going to design something like this. I just imported the image, the design, so that we'll be looking at from it and design our own. Alright, let me just resize it so that it will not take much space again and keep it somewhere here. Alright, so let us begin with our design. Don't mind the way my phone is. I just turned my phone so that it will have a full screen, so that when watching it you will be able to view everything that I did. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is just go to shapes the normal way. Just go to shape here, then you click on shapes, then you now click on this drop icon here for us to select the shape we want. So you scroll up, the shape we want is this one here. This one here, that's the shape we want to use. Alright, so you have to do is just click on it, then click on this check mark here. Alright, then we are going to use this thing to turn it around. We are going to use this to turn it around. That's to rotate it, like this. Then you now click on this one here to increase it, that small button there, and increase it to something like this. I think it's okay. Then you come to color. Give it a black color. Click on this enable button, then you check for black color. Alright, then the next thing we have to do is to copy this shape now. Copy the shape by clicking here. Alright, this one that we just copied now, that is the second shape. We are going to give it a white color. So we give it a white color like this, then we reduce it. We're going to reduce it to something like this. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Then we are going to merge the two shapes now. So still the normal way to merge. You click there, then you click here, then you click on these two shapes. That's the shape we are going to merge. Then click here again, the center one, click on OK. Alright, so we have merged this shape now. They are now one shape. Then you come to erase color. Here it is, erase color. That is to remove one of the color there. That's the meaning of this erase color. So enable the button. So erase color will automatically remove the white color on it. Then you can increase this tolerance here to 75 or 70. Is okay like this. Then we are going to copy this shape now. We are going to copy the shape. So we come down, you now say copy the shape, then place it like this. This is the second one. You place it like this. Place it like this. Yeah, it's okay like this. Then merge the two shape, still the normal way, the same way we did the other time. Merge these two, only these two we are going to merge. Alright, now let us resize it a little bit. Okay, it's okay now. Let us lock the shape. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to go to shape again. I told you are going to use only shape to design this. So this one is okay. Then let us reduce it. Then place it like this. It's okay like this. Alright. Then you give it a black color. Give it a black color. Let's check for color. Give it a black color. Alright, then the next thing, let us use position so that it will be okay. Yeah, Alright, the next thing is to copy this shape now. Let us copy the shape. The one we copy, we place it here. It's okay. Let us copy again and place it here. Alright, then we are going to copy the shape of this big one, this bigger one here. We are going to copy the shape. For us to copy the shape, just come to this place that we normally use for merging and locking our design. If you click there, then let us scroll up. This is the one that we want to copy this shape, this one here. So all you have to do is just click here, then when you click there, then now click on this one here. That is for you to copy. Then click on copy. You can see it. We have copied the shape. Then this one that you copy, put it on a white color. Give it a white color. Alright, then place it this way. Place it this way. Okay, let's use position so that it should be okay. Alright, I think that's cool. Then we are going to merge this one that we copied now, this white one. Sorry. We are going to merge this white one together with all these small shapes, these three shapes. So let us go to the same place we merge. Then we are going to merge these ones, this one, and this one too. Alright, the same way to merge your shape. And click OK. Alright, then you come to erase color again. Enable the button. You can increase the tolerance to 70. Alright, it's okay like this. Then let us shift this shape a little bit using position. Let us shift it a little bit. It's okay like this. Then we lock the shape and then we merge these two now. We are going to merge these two now. Alright, so we're almost done with our design. So the next thing, we go to shapes again. This one is okay. Then we are going to use this same place that we normally use for rotating here. So rotate the shape. Let us increase it a little bit. And how to do is just do it so it will match what you want to design. Alright. Yeah, it's okay like this. So we are going to merge them now. The same way to merge, just merge them. Click OK. Then you come to erase color again, and on the button, and increase the tolerance to 70. Alright, so we are almost done with our design. So the next thing we are going to do is now to give it this a little decoration that it wants. So we are going to give it a stroke. We're going to give it a stroke. A white. Sorry, it's not this shape that we are going to design. It's this one. So let us go to stroke. Yes, it's okay. Increase it to 3. Then come to 3D shape. Then you are going to off this button here, this down button here. You are going to off it. Alright, then we go to darken, reduce it to 0%. Then the depth, let's reduce the depth to something like 4. Okay, let's increase it a bit. Okay, it's okay like this. Then let us go to shadow. Let us apply a shadow just on the button. It's okay this way. Then the next thing we are going to do, let us give it a background. Let us give it a background by clicking there. Then click on color. Then we are going to select color, not gradient. Here's color and here's gradient. We are going to make use of color. Then we look for white color. That's the background. Alright. so you can see how our design looks like. So we have replicated what we have here. You can see it. Alright, so let's continue designing. The next thing we are going to do now is just go to test, so that we add some text to our design. Go to test, then you click on this plus sign here, then you click on edit, then you're going to type just BE logo, because we formed a BE logo using just shape BE logo. Click on OK. And let us just give it a little style, which will be style. So let us just give it a button style by clicking on style. Then we click on this B here, so it will be bold. Alright, then let us give it a color. The color is not purely black. Let us just give it a pure black color. We are clicking on color, and let us select black. Alright, it's okay like this. And the next thing we are going to do is add another text. Click on edit, then you write design by whatever your name is. Graphics. Click on OK. Sorry, let us lock the shape so that it will not be moving. Okay, let us lock it. It's okay like this. Alright, so let us edit this text that I just put now. Let us reduce it something like this. It's okay this way. Then let us give it a pure black color also, but we are not going to add any style to it. Just give it a pure black color. Alright, it's okay. So we are done with our design. So you can now save your project by clicking here for it to save your project. When you click there, then you save it as project. That is to save it to this app, and also save it as image, so that you can save it into your gallery. Thanks for watching this video, for staying till the end. I really appreciate you for watching this video. By the next video, we are still going to see another form of logo design. We are going to design MR logo, a very lucrative logo. So stay tuned to this channel, you will learn a lot. Please, if this is your first time seeing my video, please do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any question, drop it on that comment section. See you in the next video.